I really do like, heat pump technologies from a zoning point of view, generally speaking, especially the ductless systems. Comfort is very much in control of the customer versus, I got one thermostat, and if somebody screwed up 50 years ago and didn't put enough baseboard in this particular room, it's always going to be cold.
Some of the differences living with a heat pump are they solve a lot of comfort problems that can't be solved by other pieces of equipment. Energy bills are great. Comfort level is great. They're quiet.
If a boiler turns on, especially oil-fired, usually the house shakes a little bit and you hear a big rumble in the basement, and then it makes a lot of noise while it's running. A lot of customers that are light sleepers, maybe that's not a great thing. So you might appreciate a nice quiet system that's outdoors.
An air source heat pump system with an inverter variable speed compressor is designed to run almost all the time. It's not like a conventional fossil fuel system. If a system's performing well, it's going to continuously run at low speeds and then gradually ramp up. It's not this on-off. We try to educate a person that those are kind of set it and forget it. Don't really pay attention to the numbers. Pay attention to where your comfort is, and then when you find your comfort level, just leave it alone and let it run there. You don't want to set back your heat pump. There's no energy savings at all to be had. In fact, you'll spend more on energy by setting it back.
They always have some kind of filtration set up inside the machine, so you get a kind of an upgrade in your air quality. Plus, there's a feel-good factor with, hey, I'm not putting a couple tons of carbon in the atmosphere. You've done kind of a good thing by moving to a decarbonized heat source.